What's the meaning of assurance? Assurance. Assurance.
Assurance. Assurance. Assurance refers to a sense of confidence or certainty regarding something. It can also refer to a formal declaration or pledge, often given to provide confidence or security to another person or party. The result of receiving assurance is a feeling of trust and comfort in the reliability of a person or situation. This can lead to greater peace of mind and a reduced sense of anxiety or uncertainty. Overall, assurance is an important aspect of building strong, positive relationships and promoting trust and stability in various aspects of life.